by your Oklahoma Ford dealers.
Yeah, I would say the whole week, practice and the game, it's all going to be exciting. Like I said, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. And, I'm just, like I said, I'm happy to get around all those kids and, kind of evaluate yourself. So that'll be fun.
Well, that's Collinsville linebacker Levi Draper, a future Sooner, and today named an Army All-American. He'll play in the Army All-American Bowl in San Antonio in January, right here on Channel 2. And welcome into sports, everybody. 1 year ago, Joshua Jacobs was running wild for the McLain's Titans, but doing so without a single big-time scholarship offer. Saturday, he ran wild for college football's #1 team. What an incredible story this has been. Jacobs, the state of Oklahoma's top rusher last year, received that late offer from Alabama. There he is on signing day. And now as a true freshman, already playing a significant role for the Crimson Tide. Ran for 97 yards and 2 touchdowns Saturday after starting tailback Damian Harris went down with an injury.
We found Josh a little late in recruiting, but we were happy that we were able to get him. We were very impressed with him, and I think a guy that shows great maturity and understanding and very instinctive as a football player, and I think it shows up in his play and how he plays, and it certainly has showed up in how he's developed to be able to play.